Here's my solution to question 6.95. So we're recycling the information from question 6.93. We want to find a conditional probability that Linda actually knows the answer given that she supplied a correct answer. So the probability is that she knows the correct answer under the condition that she gave a correct answer. She supplied a correct answer. Okay, so our tree diagram will help us do this. The question suggests to use the definition of conditional probability. So I'm going to take a little aside here and just make sure that you remember what this looks like. This comes from the general multiplication principle. So the probability of A and B, that can be considered the probability of A by itself times the probability of B, but knowing conditionally that A has already happened. So this general formula for multiplying also lets us come up with a formula for finding conditional probabilities if we divide both sides by the probability of A. So in general then, the probability of the event B, given that the event A has already happened, that can be found by taking the joint probability of A and B, so both of them have to happen together, and divide by the probability that A has occurred. That's the probability of the event that's essentially already happened. So here's what we need to do then. We need to take the joint probability that she knows the correct answer given that she gave the correct answer. Well, that probability, I already know, is 0.75. If she knows the correct answer, of course, she's going to give that correct answer. The numerator is 0.75. So that's the joint probability. So I'll write it this way. The probability that she knows and gave the correct answer. We're going to divide this by the probability that she gave a correct answer. So I know that the numerator is the 0.75, but then the whole point of the previous question, question 6.93, was to look at the likelihood that she was correct, the probability that she gave the correct answer. She doesn't necessarily know it. She might have guessed it. So the probability of a correct answer in general is 0.80. So the 0.75 compared to the 0.80, that is 0.9375. So it's pretty likely. This is the conditional probability that she knows the correct answer under the condition that she actually reported a correct answer. She actually gave a correct answer.